How to draw Lorenzo, step by step. Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub crew, so we're going to begin by drawing Lorenzo's eyes. We're going to start on the left hand side of the page by making a blank circle. In total, we're going to add in 2 more circles inside of the circle. We're going to add in a small black circle, which will be the pupil, and then we'll add in another circle that will be surrounding the black circle that we make. Nice job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. Now a little to the right, we're going to make the second eye of Lorenzo, and this will look exactly the same as the first. If you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so we can keep you up to date on the latest drawing tutorials every single day. Fantastic! Now for the next step, we're going to have to make the outline of Lorenzo's face. We're going to begin by making a big C that's upside down above those 2 eyes that we just made. Great job! Now below, we're going to connect those 2 lines that we just made with an even bigger C-like shape. Let's just connect this to the line up top. Awesome. Now to the right of the outline of the face that we just made, we're going to begin to make the first fish ear of Lorenzo. Be sure to be very careful during this step. We're going to use curved lines and C-like shapes to make the ear. Be sure to stick around till the end of the video so that we can call in our drawing together. Now from here, we're going to make one last C-like shape and then we'll connect it to the face. Great job! Now inside of that ear, we have that empty space, so we're going to use 2 curved lines to add detail. Now, when we draw, it's very important for everything to be symmetrical, so now we're going to go over to the left-hand side of the face, and we're going to make a second ear. It will look identical to the one that we just made. Just like how we added 2 curved lines in the last ear that we made, we're going to do the same thing in this step. Well, Learn How to Draw Hub crew, so far this is coming along very well. I'm very impressed. Now, we're going to add hair to the top of the head of Lorenzo. When we make the hair, imagine as if you're drawing a big cloud. We will only connect the hair in 2 spots to the head, where we start and where we finish. Very nice. Now let's add detail to the face. We're going to add in small eyebrows that have points on them above the eyes. Have you watched the recent drawing tutorials of Luca and Alberto as sea monsters? If so, then you probably remember that when we made the nose, we used 2 circles that were black to make the nostrils. We're going to go ahead and do the same thing when we draw Lorenzo's nose. Let's go ahead and draw Lorenzo's nose right now. Now last but not least, we're going to draw Lorenzo's mustache. We're going to make one big C-like shape that's sideways in that empty space on the bottom of the page. And then when we make that, we're going to use jagged edges on the bottom to connect the left to the right side. Now where we have that empty space in between those 2 points that we just drew, we're going to use jagged edges to connect those 2 points, as I previously stated. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. You did a great job today. If you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials, then I highly encourage you to hit the subscribe button and join the Learn How to Draw Hub crew so that we can draw together every single day. Now stick around so that we can call in our drawing together. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.